हांव मुगे घोराको माटो घात म्हळ्यार
See the efforts we have taken for this day.
फुल टाइम से कुछ नहीं कर रहे.
My sister and the entire family planned this beautiful Sangeet party just for us.
जे भाशेन तेणें आमचे फूड उलोवन आमकां वेलकम केलो आमी इमोशनल जाली तेंगे मोग चोयन.
In that moment, we were extremely happy and grateful to everyone.
I would like to welcome you all today. It's a bridal surprise. We have this function for you all.
सरप्राइज आ तुझ्या हाती.
Honored as it is. Thank you everyone for this lovely surprise.
Thank you so much.